Okay, good morning ulit. So this is our third case for the elimination method. So if we are to review the two previous elimination method that we have discussed, the first one is the addition method using elimination method. The second one is the subtraction method using elimination method. Okay, so this time this is called uh, case number 3 or elimination using elimination method. So ano bang meron dito sa case number 3 na ito? Okay, so lagyan natin ng guhit. Okay, sa case number 3 na to, kung doon sa mga previous na topic natin, merong mga common terms na pwedeng i-add or i-subtract, mawawala kagad. Pero dito, kahit i-add natin or i-subtract natin, walang maka-cancel na variable. Kasi ang purpose natin is makapag-cancel ng isang variable to solve for the other variable. So, in this case, wala. Okay, so, anong gagawin natin? So, yan. Teka, ayusin muna natin ito. So, ang gagawin natin is bibilugan natin actually kahit anong variable. So, siguro in this case, itong part na to. Okay, 3y at saka y. Okay, tapos we will identify ano ang numerical coefficient nitong binilugan natin sa taas. In this case, the numerical coefficient is 3. Tapos dito sa baba, ang numerical coefficient niya pag nawala nakasulat is automatically 1. So, ang gagawin natin is babaliktarin natin siya. Kung 1 ito, dito natin siya i-multiply 1. Kung ito naman ay 3 natin i-multiply. Next. Okay, then i-distribute natin so that makakuha tayo ng bagong equation na makakapag-cancel tayo either of the variable. Okay, so dito 1 times x is 1x or x. 1 times positive 3y is positive 3y equals 1 times 9 is 9. Okay. Next, tignan naman natin ito nandito sa baba. So, ito ha. 1 times 3y is 3y. 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, ibahin natin ang kulay nito. Next, dito naman sa baba, itong 3. Saan nanggaling itong 3? Ito, dito. Saan nanggaling yung 1? Dito. Sa numerical coefficient ng y. Okay, so dito 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. And 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so using this formula, you would notice na nagkaroon tayo ng isang term na parehas ang variable. Okay, since isa siyang positive, isa siyang negative, so this elimination method will fall under case number 1. So ang gagawin lang natin is i-add natin yung dalawang equation. Bakit natin i-add? Because positive tong isa, negative yung isa, then pareha siya ng variable. Okay, so let us add. X plus 6x is 7x. Positive 3y, negative 3y is 0. Okay, so 9 plus 9 plus 12 is, okay, so 9, 10, 11 is 21. Okay. Tapos, since wala nang silbi ang 0, ang magiging equation natin is 7x equals 21. Pero, we are not solving for the value of 7x. We are solving for the value of x. So, divide both sides by 7. Okay, cancel. The value of x is equals to 21 over 7 is 3. So, therefore, yung una nating ordered pair is 3. Next, so paano naman natin makukuha yung value ng isang variable, which is y? Sulat naman natin kung x plus 3y equals 9. Sabi, the value of x is 3. So, palitan natin yung x ng 3. 3 plus 3y equals 9. Next, ang gagawin natin, since wala naman, hindi natin ma-add yung, hindi natin pwedeng i-add yung 3 doon sa 3y, ang gagawin natin, itong 3 na to, ililipat natin dito sa kabila. Pag nilipat sa kabila at nag-jump dito sa equal sign, ibig sabihin kung positive siya dito, magiging negative siya dito. Kung negative siya, magiging positive. So, tandaan nyo lagi yun. So, 3y equals 9 minus 3. Okay. So, 3y equals 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Okay, to solve for the value of y, divide both sides by 3. Cancel. So y is equals to 6 over 3 is 2. So therefore, the second variable is 2. So our solution is 3 and 2. So this is the solution for this equation. Okay. So you can check the terms. Tingnan natin kung tutugma sila. Okay. So kung 3 and 2, we will wala muna natin. How to check? Okay. So, check natin. Using itong equation na to, x, checking x plus 3y equals 9. Tapos, 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 9. So, kung 9 siya dito, 3 plus 3 times 2 is 6 equals 9. So, 9 is equals to 9. So, tama yung unang checking natin. Okay, so checking number 2. So, this is checking number 1. Checking number 2, 6x minus 3y equals 12. Okay, the value of x is 3 minus 3. So this is 3 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3, 6, 12, 18 minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equals to 12. So, therefore, 18 minus 6 is 12. So, equal pa rin siya. So, therefore, tama yung ating solution. So, this is example number 1 under elimination method case number 3.